Hello, my name is Sudhanshu Jandal. I have been suffering from sinusitis and allergies since my childhood. And in winters, the condition became so worse that I couldn't breathe for numerous days. I had to breathe through my mouth. My nose was completely choked, and I had a lot of cough. Besides this, I used to have a lot of headache, and the allopathy medicines failed me. It turned so bad for me that in the entire year I had to take 7-8 courses of 5-day courses of antibiotic medicines. Somehow I shifted to homeopathy. It gave me some relief, but not completely relief. The situation became a bit stagnant. So then finally I found Kumbhak. I started Kumbhak on 30th March 2022. It's been a good journey for me. I have recovered a lot. This is the first winter when I didn't have to take any cetirizine or Sinarest like medicines. Besides that, I have just had to take 2 courses of antibiotics in the entire year due to the viral. My immunity has improved rapidly, and I don't have cold issues anymore. But I'm still have it sometimes, not always, but it is very minor. So I'm still doing it, and I'm recovering a lot. I hope you guys also join it and get the recovery healing you wish in life. Thank you.